Hi everyone, how are you? In this video, I am going to show what is the value of x when 16 to the power x is equal to 32. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Here we can write 2 to the power 4 because 2 to the power 4 are same as 16 whole power x is equal to, here we can write 2 to the power 5 because 2 to the power 5 are same as 32. Next, here we can apply this rule, a to the power m whole power n is equal to a to the power mn. So we can be written 2 to the power 4x is equal to 2 to the power 5. Now there are same base 2, so 2 cancel out 2, we can retain 4x is equal to 5. Now both side we can divide it by 4, we can retain 4x over 4 is equal to 5 over 4. Here 4 cancel out this 4, so x is equal to 5 by 4. This is the value of x. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Thank you for the watching. Bye bye.